Tired of your home feeling stuck in the past? These 28 smart gadgets from Amazon are here to transform your space into the future, effortlessly. From intelligent lighting to voice-controlled helpers, we've handpicked the best tech to upgrade your daily life. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always the first to catch our latest finds. And if anything catches your eye, check out the affiliate links in the description to grab your favorite gadgets and support the channel. The Louvain Grape Cutter is a smart and handy tool for parents and fruit lovers alike. It slices soft fruits like grapes, strawberries, and cherry tomatoes into neat quarters with just a quick press, making snack prep fast and stress-free. Its semi-enclosed design keeps fruit in place while cutting, and the sharp stainless steel blade ensures smooth, clean slices. Made from food-safe materials and easy to clean, this compact slicer is perfect for busy kitchens, outdoor picnics, or daily toddler meals. The Turnal Sink Mat offers a simple yet effective solution to messy kitchen countertops. Made from absorbent microfiber fabric, it catches splashes and drips around your faucet, keeping your space dry and tidy. The snap button feature helps it stay securely in place, and it's fully machine washable for easy care. Ideal for everyday kitchen use or RV living, this sink mat is both functional and stylish in black. The Pet Libro RFID automatic cat feeders bring smart convenience to multi-cat households. With RFID-enabled collar tags, each cat gets access to their own feeder, ideal for managing special diets or food guarding behavior. You can monitor meal times and set feeding schedules through the app, while the secure lid system helps keep food fresh longer. Designed with your pet's health and your peace of mind in mind, this set is a thoughtful addition to any cat-loving home. The X3 Mop is a smart solution for keeping your floors truly clean, thanks to its innovative 3-chamber bucket that separates dirty and clean water. With a durable stainless steel handle, reusable microfiber pads, and a 360-degree rotating mop head, it's built for both deep cleaning and quick dusting. The hands-free design means no bending or wringing, and it even comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee for peace of mind. A practical upgrade for any home cleaning routine. The LE Tausi Spoon Rest brings clean simplicity to your kitchen while keeping countertops drip-free. Its compact ceramic design fits comfortably on your stove or coffee station, cradling everything from spoons to spatulas. Heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, it's as practical as it is stylish. Crafted for everyday convenience, with a timeless white glaze that complements any decor. A small but thoughtful touch for a more organized kitchen. Make corn prep quick and mess-free with the Chef and Cobb Corn Stripper. Designed to safely strip kernels with a simple twist and push, this compact tool keeps sharp blades hidden inside, making it easy and safe for all ages. The stainless steel blades glide smoothly through corn, while the small size means easy storage and cleanup. A smart addition to your kitchen drawer for fresh corn anytime. Keep your space clean and hands-free with the Pucom Smart Sensor Wastebasket. This modern 10-liter trash can opens automatically with motion sensor technology, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices, especially when your hands are full or messy. It stays open as long as you're near and shuts gently after use. With a sleek, Nordic-inspired design, it looks more like modern decor than a trash bin. Runs on 2 AA batteries, not included, and fits well in tight spaces. Refresh your clothes and fabrics in seconds with the Butyral Fabric Shaver. This compact, battery-operated lint remover is perfect for sweaters, blankets, and upholstery, effortlessly clearing fuzz, pills, and baubles with sharp stainless steel blades. Choose between 2 speeds, 3 hole sizes, and adjustable shaving heights for delicate or heavy-duty fabrics. Built-in safety features and extra blades included make it a reliable choice for keeping your wardrobe looking new. The Dream Farm Mini Spoon is an innovative kitchen tool that combines multiple functions in one handy design. With its flat silicone tip and flexible sides, it makes stirring, scraping, and serving effortless, leaving your pan or bowl spotless. It features built-in measurement lines for both tablespoons and teaspoons, allowing for easy portioning while you cook. The non-stick design ensures your counter stays clean, as the spoon's raised handle prevents it from touching surfaces. Heat-resistant up to high temperatures, it's safe to use on non-stick cookware and is dishwasher-friendly for easy cleanup. Proudly designed in Australia, the spoon is a must-have for every kitchen. The Casa Smart Plug Ultra Mini offers a simple and convenient way to control your home appliances with just your voice, thanks to its compatibility with Alexa and Google Home. Setting it up is easy. Just connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Follow the instructions in the Casa app, and you're ready to go. You can schedule your devices to turn on and off automatically, whether it's for lamps, fans, or holiday lights. Control your electronics remotely from anywhere using the app, making it perfect for home or on-the-go convenience. With a trusted reputation and UL certification, the Casa Smart Plug is a reliable addition to any smart home. The Spill Stopper lid cover is an essential kitchen tool designed to prevent spills and messes while cooking. Made from food-grade, BPA-free silicone, it is safe and heat-resistant, withstanding temperatures from freezing to high heat, making it perfect for use in the microwave, fridge, or freezer. The lid fits securely on your pots, offering a reliable safeguard against boilovers. It's easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher, and can be conveniently stored with its built-in hanging hole. Ideal for any kitchen, this silicone lid ensures a mess-free and hassle-free cooking experience. The Instant Print Camera for Kids is a fun and engaging toy designed to capture memories in an instant. This digital camera allows children to take photos and print black and white pictures right after snapping the shot, while also saving color images to an SD card. Equipped with various filters, stickers, and a 2.4-inch screen, it offers a variety of creative features such as video recording, digital zoom, and games. The camera is made with safe, non-toxic materials and includes a shock-proof shell for added durability. Its rechargeable battery ensures hours of fun, making it an ideal gift for children who love to explore their creativity. This is the Home ID Key Magnetic Whiteboard, perfect for organizing your home, kitchen, or office with ease. It sticks firmly to most magnetic surfaces and works great as a memo pad, to-do list, or message board. With a smooth, reusable surface and included markers and eraser, it's ideal for keeping notes, reminders, or schedules visible and neat. Whether on the fridge, locker, or cabinet, this whiteboard helps keep daily life a little more organized. This is the Y. Keelan Toothpaste Squeezer Set, perfect for anyone tired of wasting toothpaste or creams. It comes with 3 squeezers in soft colors, each designed with a frosted handle for a non-slip grip. Just insert the tube, twist the handle, and it rolls out every last bit with no effort. It's a smart, mess-free solution for bathrooms, keeping your space organized while helping you save money. Made from durable, high-quality material, it's great for toothpaste, beauty creams, and more. Simple to use, easy to clean, and a handy addition to your daily routine. This is the Atexity Food Kitchen Scale, perfect for anyone tracking portions for weight loss, baking, cooking, or meal prepping. It features a sleek stainless steel surface and a bright backlit LCD screen that's easy to read. The scale measures in grams, ounces, milliliters, and more, with precise 1-gram increments for accuracy. It's compact enough to store in a drawer, simple to clean, and comes with batteries so you can start using it right away. Whether you're following a keto diet or just want consistent recipes, this scale is a kitchen essential. This is the Poge electric peeler, perfect for quickly peeling fruits and vegetables without the hassle of manual effort. Just press the button and it starts peeling automatically, making it easy and safe to use. It comes with 3 stainless steel blades for different tasks, so you can handle everything from apples to carrots with ease. Powered by AA batteries, it's cordless and convenient. Great for fast prep in any kitchen. Whether you're slicing for salads or prepping for cooking, this tool saves you time and energy. This is the Aura 10-inch digital picture frame, perfect for sharing unlimited photos and videos with loved ones. No subscriptions, no ads. It's easy to set up over Wi-Fi, and you can even add photos before gifting it, so it's ready to enjoy straight out of the box. The frame adjusts brightness based on your room's lighting and shuts off at night automatically. With smart photo pairing and a clean, modern design, it blends beautifully into any home decor while keeping your favorite memories always on display. This is the Aura 10-inch digital picture frame, perfect for sharing unlimited memories without any subscriptions or ads. With its sleek design and Wi-Fi setup, it lets you and your loved ones instantly upload photos and videos through the Aura app. The screen adjusts brightness automatically, turns off at night, and even displays 2 vertical images side by side. Whether for home or as a thoughtful gift, it's a beautiful way to stay connected through shared moments. The Alun Toilet Night Light, motion-activated and designed for safety and fun. It lights up automatically when you walk in and turns off after 2 minutes of no movement. With 8 color options or a smooth color cycle, your toilet gets a glowing upgrade. Flexible PVC neck fits any bowl, and it's super easy to install. Just add 3 Toitor A batteries. Water-resistant, easy to clean, and perfect for kids or late-night visits. Light up your bathroom with comfort and style. The eSoxo 4 Instant Print Camera is the ultimate choice for kids aged 4 to 10. This fun camera instantly prints black and white photos just seconds after snapping a picture. With 15 scene filters, 16 stickers, and a 2.4-inch screen, it's designed for creativity and fun. Plus, it stores photos on a 32-gigabyte SD card and even captures 1080p videos. Safe, non-toxic, and shockproof. Your child can explore photography worry-free. Great for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. This camera will keep their imagination flowing for hours. These foldable travel hangers are a practical and space-saving solution for anyone on the move. Made from durable, wear-resistant materials, they're lightweight yet strong enough for everyday use. Their smooth surface is gentle on your hands and clothes, while the adjustable design allows for full, half, or folded use. Perfect for everything from jackets to baby clothes. Whether you're traveling, camping, or living in a dorm, these compact hangers with an included clothesline make organizing your garments effortless and neat. This cozy office chair blanket is a soft and stylish wrap that attaches securely to your chair, keeping you warm without any hassle. Made with plush flannel and lined with Sherpa, it wraps around your body like a cocoon, offering comfort while you work or relax. It's a safer alternative to space heaters and helps maintain personal warmth without adjusting the thermostat. Easy to use, machine washable, and available in several designs, it's a perfect blend of warmth, safety, and convenience. This compact handheld steamer offers a sleek design and powerful performance, making it perfect for both home and travel use. Weighing less than a pound, it heats up quickly and delivers smooth, continuous steam to refresh your clothes without soaking them. Its versatile design lets you steam from any angle, while the included wall mount and travel bag add convenience. Whether for daily touch-ups or travel needs, it's a lightweight and reliable solution for wrinkle-free outfits. Tired of messy corners and falling brooms? The Ace Mining Wall Mount Organizer is your space-saving solution. With 5 sturdy racks and 4 convenient hooks, it keeps your cleaning tools, garden gear, or sports items neatly in place. Made of durable stainless steel with a non-slip design, it holds strong whether in the kitchen, garage, or laundry room. Installation is a breeze. Use self-adhesive for smooth walls or screws for rougher surfaces. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to clean. Organized spaces with this sleek, heavy-duty wall mount. The Vecchia neck reading light is lightweight, hands-free, and incredibly versatile. With 3 color modes and 9 brightness levels, it's perfect for reading in bed, knitting, or crafting, all without straining your eyes. Each arm adjusts independently and folds to any angle you need. Its rechargeable battery lasts up to 60 hours on a single charge, so you're always ready to go. Soft, flicker-free LEDs protect your vision, while the one-button power-off makes it simple to use. Brighten your focus, anytime, anywhere. These Ogotes hanging fruit baskets bring beauty and order to your kitchen. Hand-woven from durable cotton, each set includes 3 stylish baskets in different sizes, perfect for storing fruits, veggies, or everyday essentials. They're breathable, safe for food, and add a charming boho touch to any wall. With 6 strong hooks included, installation is quick and flexible. No tools required for lightweight use. Free up space, stay organized, and decorate your home all in one go. Say goodbye to stubborn food stains with this 2-in-1 dish scraper set from Matt's Cover. Designed with hard nylon edges and a flexible silicone side, it tackles stuck-on messes without scratching your pans. Each scraper fits perfectly in your hand for effortless control, even in tight corners. Heat-resistant and BPA-free, they're safe on cast iron, non-stick, and more. You get 3 in one pack, perfect for your kitchen, your grill, and even your pet bowls. Durable, compact, and easy to hang. These scrapers are total kitchen game changers. The Aero Garden Harvest makes indoor gardening easy. It grows up to 6 plants in water, no soil needed. Just plug it in, drop in your seed pods, and watch herbs like basil, parsley, and mint thrive. Its powerful 20-watt LED light mimics natural sunlight, helping plants grow up to 5 times faster. The control panel tells you when to add water or food, so no green thumb required. Fresh flavor, right on your counter.